What is up, guys and gals? Welcome to One How to Smartphones tutorial videos on the Samsung Galaxy S21. In this video, I'll be showing you guys two different ways on how to do a screenshot or a screen capture on the Galaxy S21. And then I'll go through some of the settings on how to edit and stuff like that of your screenshots. So the first things first, I'm going to show you guys a screenshot. If those of you that are not familiar with what a screenshot is, let's say you're out searching the web and you found a recipe, a photo, an image, some sort of text that you want to save. What you're going to want to do is we're going to be using the side buttons here, the power button and the volume down button. We're going to press those simultaneously and let go. So I'll just go ahead and demonstrate real quick. And you guys saw that like flash, and then you see this little image pop up down here at the bottom. It pops up and it goes away. It gives you the option to like crop the photo, share it, tag it, that sort of thing to customize it. So now this is still on the website that we were on. And if we are to go into our apps and find the gallery app, which is this one right here, go ahead and select that. You'll see I had several screenshots from earlier today, but this one here is the most recent one. So if we go to here, we see that the screenshot is saved. The photo, the image is here, so it definitely saves. And then another way to do a screen capture, the second way that I want to demonstrate and show you guys, is by swiping from the right to the left. So I'm just gonna go ahead and demonstrate. And you guys saw that flash. This was just my home screen. I did that swipe, I did a flash. So let's go ahead and go back into gallery, and we'll go back into our images. Right here, most recent one was this one that we had just went to. And then right here, we have the share, the trash, edit, so you can edit it. For editing it, there's a bunch of things to go through here. Crop out, let's say you don't want the time, the status bar up top, you don't want the stuff on bottom. To crop that out, once you do it, you can hit save. Whatever, so it saves the image. The thing that I wanted to show you guys, so if you are to go into your settings, and from settings, go ahead and scroll down till you find advanced features. Go ahead, select that, and from here we're going to go ahead and scroll down till we see screenshots and screen recorder. Go ahead and select that, and here you're able to turn on the option for hide status and navigation bars. So every time you take a screenshot, you don't have to go in and constantly crop and edit your images that you are taking videos of or screenshots of. So you can go ahead and select that and turn that on. So anytime you take the screenshot, the numbers up here won't be popping up. The next one down, we have delete shared screenshot. So anytime you're taking a screenshot just to share it with somebody, you take that screenshot, you share it. Once it's shared, it's gone. So that's that. So let's say you sent a message with a screenshot. It sees that you shared it. Boom, it deletes it out of your file. If that's an image that you wanted to keep or have, you're going to have to go back in to wherever you sent it and then save that back into your folders. Or don't share it right away, right after. So you guys, when I took the screenshot, there's that little shortcut bar. If you hit share from there, that's where it will delete it. If you have it saved as an image and you share it, then it won't delete it. So if you guys don't want to have that, which is kind of a goofy one, be sure not to select it. And then you can also change from a JPEG. You can kind of pick which one you want there. So there you guys have it. Just my two ways on how to take a screenshot or a screen capture on the Samsung Galaxy S21, and then just a few different features to go over about hiding the status bar, that type of thing. So hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with anybody who might be looking for this information. Thank you guys all for watching. Have a nice day.